Hi guys! In this tutorial we are going to talk about our Woocommerce integration and we will explain how to create automated newsletters with the product of a WooCommerce shop by using Newsletters Automated addon. As you know, WooCommerce is the leading e-commerce plugin for WordPress and one of the most used plugins in general. Our Woocommerce integration allows you to automatically subscribe your customers to specific mailing lists and, if you want, to embed a checkbox on the WooCommerce generated checkout page. Moreover, this integration enables a WooCommerce block on our drag-and-drop composer, making things super easy when you want to send product updates to your subscribers. Let's go over the main settings of this integration and then move to automated. First of all, when you open the WooCommerce integration, you'll see the general settings. Here, you can decide whether you want this integration to interact with the WooCommerce checkout or not. If you enable it, you can decide to subscribe your customers automatically or just give them the option to do so. You can then decide in what list you want to add them. If you need to, with our integration, you can also import subscribers from old orders. As you can see, this operation is very simple. Just decide whether you want them to be recorded as new subscribers or to update their profile, and whether they must confirm subscription or not. Then, on the other two panels, you can set some rules to further segment your subscribers, either based on the single products they bought or on the products categories, for example accessories, wearables, sports, etc. Segmenting your customers can be a real game changer for your online activity, as you will be able to send them targeted emails based on what they bought on your site. For example, you can send an email with other bike-related products to those customers who recently bought a bicycle on your website. This is where Automated does its magic. How about sending product updates automatically without having to worry about it? Sounds great, doesn't it? Let's move on to explaining how to perform this operation, how to create automated newsletters with the last products you added to your website. Let's start by opening the Automated addon and by creating a new channel. On the configuration panel, let's put the descriptive channel name and set lists and subject. As regards the subject, you can choose to insert a fixed one or to use the dynamic subject tag, which will use the data of the first composer block as the email subject. As an example, let's say we want to send an update with the new products every 4th Monday of each month. Move to the planning section and just choose dates and timing for the newsletter. Once we are happy with those settings, let's save and move on to designing the email. In this video, I'll start with an empty project to create our newsletter from scratch. I'll add a header, a footer, and finally, I'll use the WooCommerce block to insert all the products. With this block, you can choose if Automated has to check for new products, and what Automated has to do if there are new products available and if there aren't. For example, you may want Automated to check your site's product and send a newsletter only if you added new products since the last email campaign. You may also wish to send specific products update to specific lists, and to do so, you can create different automated channels and use the WooCommerce block settings for categories, tags, or single product ideas. Once you are happy with the setup, you can send a test to see if everything is good to go, and then schedule your newsletter. That's all for this video. We hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to our channels to keep up to date with our new releases and updates. Bye!